Today to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be solving a very common issue everyone actually experience using Windows 10, 11 or PC, missing Bluetooth. So you can actually see here that my Bluetooth is actually missing here and I cannot find my Bluetooth settings. So if you're having this issue, let's get it solved. So Bluetooth is not seen here too. If we go ahead to open our settings and locate our Bluetooth, notice that Bluetooth can't send or receive device. For example, go ahead to our Bluetooth devices. You can see it's not here. And when we even try to search for it, let's search for Bluetooth. See, so Bluetooth and other devices, click here. And when you try to add, you get this error code. So just couldn't connect. So this is one problem people actually get. And let's get to the steps we have to do to fix this issue. So I'm giving an 100% guarantee that I'll be fixing this issue for you. Go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So even if you previously had Bluetooth on your device and this problem appears, let's get it solved for you. So if we cannot solve this after this video, it should be an hardware issue. An hardware issue to be taken to the engineer to get the issue solved for you. So let's get to the steps. So first of all, you have to search for your service to make sure our Bluetooth is actually running there in our service. So you can see this here and make sure the Bluetooth audio gateway is running, Bluetooth support service is running, Bluetooth user support service is also running. So once you make sure these three are running, you should have no issue. So next thing to do is to click here and locate just search for device manager. So you can see device manager here, or just like to search for it, device manager. And what you have to do is to run your device manager. So once you've run your device manager, what you have to do is to expand it. So let me expand this so you can get it fixed. So what you have to do is to locate your Bluetooth right here. As you can see, this is my Bluetooth right here on my device manager. If you can't actually locate your Bluetooth right here, what you have to do is you click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. So click for scan for hardware changes and you should find your Bluetooth there. If that doesn't work for you, click on view and click on show hidden devices. So this should show a lot of device for you and everything relating to your Bluetooth. So if you later found your Bluetooth after doing these two steps, you can actually go ahead to watch this video and complete it. But if you didn't find this option there, that means you have to install your Bluetooth. So just hold on, let's get this solved first. So what you have to do is look for your Bluetooth device driver. For example, this is mine here, and this is Intel R wireless Bluetooth. So I'm going to double click on this and can see this device is disabled. So what is causing my Bluetooth not to work is because this device is disabled. I'm giving this code 22. So what I have to do is to click on my advanced, then driver, then come over to your driver to make sure you enable your device here. So click on enable device. So in some of the cases, this should solve your issue. For example, let me check if my issue is solved here. Right, come here and you can see my Bluetooth is back and it is actually working. And let's see if it's actually going to work if I want try to add a device. So click here and click for, let's search for Bluetooth. So you can see Bluetooth and all the devices. So let's tap here and let's see if it's going to work in adding things. So let's go ahead to click on our add device. Let's see if it works. So you can see it is searching for devices. It is searching for devices, so it's actually working. In some cases, this might not work for you. Don't panic. Let's get it solved. So what you have to do is to click on that same device driver. Go ahead to update the driver. So when you go ahead, you can search automatically for drivers on your PC. So let's like this, you can search for it, and you can see the best driver for your device are already installed. So if you find this and you need update, you can just go ahead to get from your Windows updates. That's your choice. Or just come ahead to browse from a computer for devices. So just go ahead to check for this and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you can see, so if you are now, I have two different drivers here. If one isn't working, I can decide to go to the other one and choose to install that. So anyone you want to use, click on this, click on next, and then to install the driver, then you should have your Bluetooth working. So after installing driver, it's going to tell you you've installed driver for this. So you use this time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead to the other steps and stuff. So once your driver has been installed, you should get it fixed probably. So you can see right here it said Windows has successfully updated your driver. So Windows have updated my driver. So if this update doesn't really work, then you should have the next step. So what you have to do is that your hardware settings have changed. You must reset your computer for this changes to take effect. So go ahead to reset it later. For me, I'm not resetting right now. And if this doesn't work, you can decide to roll back the driver to the old one and click on close. Please do not try to uninstall the device and install back because it will basically give you some issues. As you can see that stated there as advanced. I won't advise you to uninstall and try to install because even if you do, what you have to do is just click on uninstall and restart your PC, and your PC should install or bring it back. But that is going to give you some issue in some cases. For example, you might notice your Bluetooth might just go missing on your device and it take a long process to get it back. So it's not really advisable. But if all the steps doesn't work, you can go ahead to install your device and restart your PC. It should automatically install it back for you. But please try avoid doing that. So let's go ahead to the next step. So I'm not restarting this PC now. So let's go ahead to the next step. If all the steps doesn't work for you, what you have to do is to come ahead to your store and try to download the name of this application. So the name of the application right here or software is Driver Booster. So don't forget this Driver Booster. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to run a sharp update here to get it fixed. So it said what we have to do here is to scan to check the status of the driver. So go ahead to search here. So I'm going to wait for this to wait and load every drivers we have here on my page. So this should solve every driver issue, and the name of it is Driver Booster 13. So go ahead to search for IOB Driver Booster. So you can see the scan is almost complete, and we can go ahead to check what our PC is. And so you can see here we have 7 device driver outdated. What you have to do is just click on update now. So once you update now, you're going to update everything here and you have everything fixed. So you can even see it's even stating that my camera driver here is faulty. As you can see, it's faulty and so go ahead to click on update now and make sure you restart your PC, and this should get your problem all solved there on this issue. So if you done all the step and you notice your Bluetooth is not still there, go ahead to comment on that comment section and we'll get the problem solved for you. And also drop what error code you're missing there or what error code you are getting there and what is actually the issue. If all the step doesn't work also, you should know it is probably an hardware issue and you shouldn't stretch someone. Just go ahead to the engineer and try to solve it there. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.